Good morning, guys. It is about 4:12 in the morning. I went to bed kind of early last night, but I'm up. I knew I wanted to make this banana bread. It's gonna be pretty chilly here all week, and I want to take this in for the girls at work. So I picked this up the other day at Walmart. I'm gonna add more bananas and a little bit more flavor and make it my own. Excuse me. So it calls for 1 cup of water. I'm gonna add milk, 1/3 cup of oil, and 2 eggs. So I'm just gonna flavor my milk up. I'm gonna add in some vanilla, and then I like to use my Torani syrups. Like if I haven't really used these, then I'll use it like in baking and stuff like that. So I'm gonna put it together really quick. This is the baking dish that I'm gonna use. It's easy to transport, and I think this one has a lid, so that's perfect. All right, let me roll through this. Have a good day. I'm gonna save the rest for the top. Once it's cooled a little bit and out of the oven, I'm gonna drizzle it with some of this bourbon caramel. And then I think I'm gonna look at my pantry. Y'all know I grab whatever's in the pantry, and that's what's going in it. I think I have some pecans or walnuts. I have some type of nuts. Let me dig that out, and then we'll put some of that on top also. I had 2 very ripe bananas, so I'm just gonna go ahead and use them. They'll add the extra sweetness and then like that fresh banana taste. So fun fact, when I was growing up, that used to be my Sunday dinner little duty. I would do the cakes. So my mom would have like different, if we made it from scratch, she probably had like a recipe or something in her little Betty Crocker book, where she would do a cake mix, but we always like added our own little thing, a little cinnamon and a little nutmeg, maybe some rum, whatever. Like we always added our own little touch. So shout out to my mommy. All right, we need 2 eggs. I added 2 bananas, the packet, to my milk. I added vanilla and some of that bourbon caramel syrup. Pretty easy, right? We're gonna mix this together. It says 50 strokes, 50 to 75 strokes. Listen, we're just gonna make sure that it's smooth and work through. My oven needs to be set at 375. It says to bake it for about 50 minutes, so this is perfect. Yeah, between 45 to 50 minutes. So this is perfect. I can make myself my coffee and snuggle back in bed and let this bake, because it has to cool for about 30 minutes before I can be on the move. My oven is ready. Let's beat these eggs, put them in, and get going. So I think I showed you guys before my little trick on how to grease my pan. I put, this is about a pat of butter. I just sliced it thin into 3. Put it in my microwave for about 30 seconds. When it comes out, let it cool, and then I grease the pan. Pretty simple, and it gives the butter. I did my cornbread the other day, and it was really buttery. So this will have that nice little buttery flavoring. .375-degree oven for between 45 to 60 minutes. I was gonna add nuts, but then you don't know if there's nut allergies. So I don't know. I'm just gonna go ahead and make it as such. But I am gonna add the glaze over the top. Peek. What? It looks like your girl can bake. Yes, girl, yes. Yes, girl, yes. It smells so good. It smells so good in this house. Bright and early. All right, I think that's ready to come out now. All right, so for the glaze that I'm gonna make, I just added a little, about a tablespoon of butter. I'm gonna add some clear vanilla. I added the rest of the bourbon caramel syrup. We're gonna microwave that for a little bit, and then I'm gonna add a little brown sugar, and then sprinkle that. Pour this, then sprinkle the sugar on top. I also got these foil sheets. Well, I had them in my pantry, so again, y'all know I'm shopping in my pantry. So then they can wrap their individual pieces and take it to their offices and get their morning started with their coffee or tea, whatever. All right, so I'm gonna add a little bit of this vanilla caramel cream. Let me tell you, this tastes so good. So we're just gonna go over the top and pour that onto the hot banana bread. And because the bread is hot, it's going to take all of that on. So I sprinkled it with a little bit of pumpkin pie spice. All right, that looks like you bought it from somewhere, girl. Add a little bit of your own flavors to make it your own.